Howdy y'all, it's Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and I am back for the September wrap-up for the month. So y'all know I played along with How to Kill a Kit with Style. I picked 3 kits this month to play with. Well, actually, Brooke picked 3 kits for me to play with. And I have to say I'm pretty proud. I used 1 kit completely up, the Close to My Heart Co-Set collection. And then I do have a little bit of this Smarty Pants collection left. I didn't use a lot of it, but I was really only using it for 1 layout anyways. But I think I actually made 2 or 3 that I used it on. And this is all I have left of the Close to My Heart Adore Me collection. This was a massive kit that I had. I know it probably had over, I want to say 20 or 25 sheets of paper. I didn't do real well on the stickers, but y'all know I never do. But I did use some of them. And then I have these little scraps. I think I'm going to create some cards out of them. This is one of the bigger pieces. And then I have these pieces, and this is, no, I'll take that back. I have 2 sheets. I have this sheet is a full sheet, and then I have this sheet, which technically was not part of this collection, but it must have been the only one I had left, period, of this one out of whatever it came out of. And so I combined it with this because it does go well together. And then this is my scraps that I have left. And that is all I have. So, I think I can get quite a few cards out of this. Maybe even another layout or 2. I could probably get 2 more layouts. Actually, I could probably get more than that. I could probably get 3 or 4 more layouts out of this collection. But I think I'm going to make some cards and then see where I stand. I am really just tired of playing with this collection at this point, because I did use a ton of it. Like I said, there was like probably 20 or 25 sheets of it, and it's down to just this little pile of scraps. So that is what is left of the kit that I had this month. So I'm going to share with you guys my layouts. And now if you want to find out the winners, if you played along with Shake It, Scrap It, Create It, if you played along with the card or layout scrap lift challenges over on the Facebook group, stay tuned to the end. Also, for all the DIY embellishment videos that come out on Saturday, the winners will be announced for those also. Now, I will say, if you won last month, and some of them the month before, I have not mailed yet. So if you have not received it, just know life has been hectic. I went through surgery, and I have a message into my doctor, but I may have to have surgery again. So we will see. But I promise your stuff still is coming. And some of you guys who have won multiple months, I will probably just end up mailing it together to save postage at this point. But I just wanted to say that because I have had a few of you guys reach out about it. If you haven't got it, it's just because I haven't mailed it yet, but it is coming, I promise. And y'all know I try to be good at what I send. Okay, so I got done 23 layouts this month. I used 64 photos and used 21 swap items. So for my yearly total, that puts me at 187 layouts, 515 photos, and 223 swap items used. So I'm going to count that as a win. It's not where I wanted to be, but it is what it is. I think I've done pretty good with all that life has handed me this year so far. So this was probably one of my most favorite. It's not my favorite, but it is close. I love the fact that I AI generated all these. All these AI generated things are over on my Facebook group in an album over there. And there's lots of other ones over there if they are free to use. So also all the Alice in Wonderland printables, they're all over there also. And I think there's 2 albums of those. Okay, so there's that layout. And then here was this one that I did. And this one had the friends and the little bee wreath that you could enter to win by leaving a comment on the video. And then here is this one that I did. And I did lots of sewing on it. I know it's probably hard to see, but there is just lines of stitching on it. I used my sewing machine. And then we have this one that we had to use a holiday item on for scrap timber, so I went with Christmas. And I used this beautiful shaker that Elizabeth Haynes made. So pretty. That was our Christmas in Texas. All of these layouts do have process videos, so just so you know. Alright, so here one is another 2-page of the teddy bear picnic, and I used digital printables on it also from Shabby Art Boutique, and I absolutely love it. Even though it's super busy, I really love it. And then we have this one with this little cutie. It's my Laney Boo for Halloween last year. And she was a cowgirl. And then I have this one that I did for Christina Harden's, I think 2,000 subscriber, or maybe 3,000 subscriber. I think it was 2,000 subscriber milestone. But she wanted us to create a layout talking about why we scrap. And then I have this one that I did, and I did stitching on it. So, lots of ideas this month, lots of ways to use scraps. Almost every one of these layouts could have been made with scrap pieces. Like this one's just circles that I die cut. I made little ribbon banners that I sewed and used digital printables on it. I actually used lots of digitals this month, so I'm super excited because if y'all been around, y'all know I caught the digital bug, and I use it more on cards and making like MDX cards and things like that than I do my scrapbook pages, so I'm happy to actually be incorporating it more. This one, I love how it turned out. I scrap lifted this, and I did lots of mixed media on it, and inking, and adding the gold paste. And I know it's probably hard to see, but it's super, super pretty with all the gold stars and shimmery. This is shimmery where I put the gold. You can kind of see it halfway up on it. But I love the way that turned out. And then we have this one. I also used some more digital printables on it, but I did lots of mixed media on it, as you can see, using a stencil and just blending ink. I think that one was for Mixed Media Mayhem. Maybe that was from my 40th birthday pictures. And then I have this one that was also a scrap lift, and I also took and sewed on it. I sewed on lots of my layouts this month, which I'm really loving. I always love the look of sewn on layouts, but I rarely take the time to do it, even though my sewing machine is set up. I love how this one turned out. This one is probably one of my favorite ones this month. And you can see I used a stencil. I just inked the background, and then I added a few pieces. This was one of the titles that you could be entered to win. And I used some swap items on here. And then we have this one that is pretty much all digital printables. There we go. That I used from Shabby Art Boutique. I love how it turned out. And you can see I used my gold paste. And these, even though they look real, they're not real buttons. They're paper. But I love all of that. And then this one was one of the hard to use papers from the collection I completely used up. But I really like how this turned out. I found this image on the internet and I just printed it out twice and then popped it up a little bit to give it some dimension on her head and her arms. But I really love how this turned out. We got to go to a World War II Wings on Display event and it was awesome. And then this one is using digital, that's going to have to be a new word, y'all. A digital printable collection by Shabby Art Boutique. And these were pictures of my grandma in her kitchen. And I love it. This one was the one exception. I did not use the kit on this month. I used a different collection. But I still absolutely love how this one turned out. And I used this zinnia paper by Stampin' Up! To highlight my my actual zinnias out in my yard and the butterflies. And I also sewed on it. And then my paper got stuck and I was kind of crazy. So then I made the rest of them crazy. Which I ended up covering a lot of it up. So you can't really tell anyways. But I did. And then I have this one that I created today. So if you haven't watched this video, definitely go watch it. But this one's pictures of my grandma too. And I love it. And then I have this one that I did and I sewed on it. This one is of Vivian and my son. And of course, Miss Vivian can't be on social media, so I had to cover her up. And this one is last but not least, but this one is Miss Kaylee. She was sleeping. This one was for the minimal layout. And I know it's really hard to see because I use such light colors, but it shows up better in real life. But there's little stars with the stencil and sparkly shimmer brush on it. I know it's hard to see, but it turned out really cute. So that's all my layout. So if you are interested in seeing who the winners are to see if you won, hang on. Alright, so let's pick some winners. We are going to start it out first this time with the group drawings. Because I have the list, thanks to my awesome chaos coordinators. Thank you ladies for helping me out and compiling the list of names. I'm going to shuffle them up. This one is for Shake It, Scrap It, Create It. It looks like we had pretty good participation this time around. And let's see who wins. It looks like Cheryl Thomas. Yay! Congratulations. Now, I will say, if you can't win again for the group stuff, but you can win for the YouTube one. So, this one is for the layout scrap lift on the group this month. And also, if you are a winner, I still need you to contact me. Carolyn, yay, congratulations. I do still need you to contact me, even if we have been in contact before. I mentioned that at the beginning of the video, that I still owe some of you guys some prizes. This one's for the card scrap lift. I just have, life's been crazy with surgery and everything else going on, and I have not mailed stuff yet, so it isn't lost. No worries. I just haven't seen it yet, but I promise that I will. Michelle Ferlin, yay! Congratulations. This one's going to be for the Star Student title. Now, if you win multiple times on these, you can't win again. Sue Morrison, yay, congratulations. This one is for the Y Scrapbook title. Cindy Kavanaugh, congratulations. This one is for the Friends title in the little old bee wreath that was reminiscent of Winnie the Pooh. Scrapping on the fly, yay! Congratulations, Kristen. Thanks for watching. Alright, and last but not least is the Boo title. Debbie Ford, yay, congratulations. So that is going to be it, guys, for this month. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, for watching, for commenting, for playing along over on the Facebook group, for supporting me in general, all your kind words. I have cards I have received. I have not posted mail yet, but I am going to post those over on the group. So thank you. Every little thought and word, sweet messages are appreciated. Come over and join us on the Facebook group if you're not already there, and hang out. It's such a great supportive group of ladies, and I absolutely love them over there. Thank you guys for watching and commenting. Of course, October brings 30 days of sketches. If you were a winner this month, I need you to reach out and message me, even if I have your address and we've been in contact before, just to touch base. So again, like I said, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me, and I will see you tomorrow.